Come on, Teddy.
You want to film it?
Okay.
Just hold it like the box.
Okay.
And just point it.
This is the throttle cut.
Is it
on? That's off.
So turn it up.
Teddy.
How do you taxi? Okay.
Hold on. Turn it. Teddy, come here. Teddy. Teddy, come here. Hey. Come here now.
Now taxiing I need to give up, right?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Okay. Okay, vendor.
You're filming it, right?
I'm going to start.
Oh. This is nice.
Let's see if I got it in the camera. I can't find it yet.
It's a wide field of view, so if you point it in that direction, it's going to get it. It's an action. That's how that camera works.
Okay, I got it now. I lost it. I got off the...
This is nice.
I'm not getting it. I'm getting stuck.
Oh yeah, you got it.
I do?
Yeah.
I see the flag.
Oh, I want one of these. On and run.
Like a Bob's plane.
I'm going to land next time around.
This is nice, Carlos.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not getting it.
You are. It's a wide field of view, buddy.
Make sure you put the landing gear down.
I know, I'm not landing yet. Remember, I put a 2700 in. That's the battery you need for this thing.
Yeah. 27. I got 2600s, which is probably a fine. My 2600s are probably heavier than your 27. Well, that's my warning.
I know. Trust me, this battery's...
Oh, how you doing? Hi, good.
Yeah, that's for a 2200.
Didn't the gear go down?
Why, a little bit
Yes.
anyway.
Okay.
Good. It's giving me, you know, it's not gonna